Yuzu, a citrus fruit, has long played an important role in Japanese culture. Its refreshing fragrance and unique taste are perfect for enhancing the natural flavors of Japanese cuisine. Known for its strong aroma, yuzu is also a symbol of warding off evil spirits. During winter, people enjoy yuzu baths, soaking in a tub filled with yuzu to warm the body and prevent colds. In this video, I'll introduce a simple recipe for Yuzu Daikon, where you can enjoy the fresh fragrance of yuzu while savoring the crisp, refreshing taste of daikon pickles. It's a great make-ahead recipe for the winter season. These quantities are for 500 grams of daikon. Adjust based on the amount you're making. Any type of daikon can work, but if you can find Japanese radish, it's ideal due to its mild sweetness. Peel the daikon and cut it into matchstick-sized pieces. Matchstick cuts are often used in salads, pickles, and dishes like bagna cauda, where you want to enjoy the texture of the ingredient itself. For best results, cut the daikon into pieces about 1 cm wide, as it allows the flavor to soak in better, while maintaining the crispy texture. Sprinkle the daikon with salt and let it sit for 10 to 20 minutes to draw out excess moisture. Removing the moisture helps achieve that perfect crisp texture and ensures the seasoning will penetrate better. While the daikon is sitting, peel the yuzu. Extract the juice from the yuzu. Before squeezing, roll the yuzu on a flat surface to soften it, making it easier to juice. Slice the zest into thin strips. In a bowl, mix the sugar and vinegar together. Add the freshly squeezed yuzu juice and stir until the sugar dissolves completely. Once the daikon has released its water, drain it in a strainer and pat it dry with a paper towel. Add the vinegar-sugar mixture and the yuzu zest to the daikon and toss everything together. Let the daikon marinate in the refrigerator for about 1 hour. Toss occasionally to ensure the flavors are evenly distributed. Subscribe the channel for the series of professional tutorials and more practical ideas.